Go.
Hello, this is part 1 of the bird grooming video, where I will be grooming Hiyori, my beloved little birdie. Come on out, baby. Good boy. So first, we'll be doing a little health check. So basically what we do is make sure that there is no mites in the feathers. Can you come closer? So just, if you can see, this is a bit hard here. Let me just turn them around.
Having focusing issues.
Which I don't see anything crawling around in his feathers. By the way, the only reason why I can hold him like this is because he's my pet. So don't do this with any random bird, please. Come on. Let go of my button. This is what happened last night. Thank you. What's the matter? Ready for your bath? Last one. So normally with birds, they can clean themselves when you give them a bit of water. Not this one. He's a bit special. So what I have to do, hop onto this hand. Up! Come on. Yes. Good boy. Coming around the outside. And I'll just close the door. So I gotta make sure the water is nice and warm. Not too cold, especially given the time of year it is. And not too hot because birds are very sensitive to heat. Come here, baby. Alright, off you go. Good boy. So all I do with him is just stick him under the water, massage it in a little, flip, hide his head, and do his belly. He doesn't need that long because he prefers to clean himself up when he's out of the shower. Isn't he right, baby? Alright. So, he'll dry himself off. All that jazz. Yeah. And what I'm also going to show you is how to trim their wings. Which, please again, do this carefully, as said before. So, oh shush. Alright, so if you look at the wings, these parts, these feathers here, can you see them? Don't cut past them, ever, as they hold a fair bit of blood. So what we're going to do is just go snip, 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 right along there, while he continues to chew my button. And now he's back to being a little nub. Now we'll do the other side. Again, never trimming past those feathers, just snip, 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 snip. Now birds will tend to become stressed in this situation. It can be hard to groom birds because of how sensitive they are. Maybe. You're not getting the attention tonight. And also another thing here, with trimming their nails, always use a cloth, even though they may not like it. Let go. And there we go. So once they are in the cloth and chewing the cloth and not you, generally you need 2 people to do this. One hold the cloth while the other person holds onto their little feet and trims their claws. I won't be doing it tonight because I need an extra pair of hands. But what you would normally do, can you let go of this please? Okay, fine, I'll just use, there we go. So, with his claws, you only need to trim the very tips off. And because since they've got a quick in there somewhere, which I cannot see because his claws are dark, the furthest I would go is probably there. Just straight off. Do that for all the nails, or even just the tips if you're not comfortable. And then they're free. You okay now? Yeah. And because he's such a good boy, yeah. Alright, back in the cage you go. And for the last part of the video, I will be showing you the things I have to check off on my laptop. You need to hop off. So if you can come in close to the laptop, Talia. This is the checklist that I have to complete. For this, I have done these 2. I would have done these. That one, even though it was quite difficult. This one as well. Birds don't need toileting because you can't really take them for walks and you can't really make them poop. I did monitor his behaviour and he was getting a little stressed as we were getting to that fluid. And this is also done from cleaning his cage outside, which will be in the part 2 video. Part 11 will be in the 4th and final video. Next this is the protocols for cleaning the cage, which I'll do in part 2. So if you can get close to that and get all those letters in there. And that is what I have to do. And that is how you groom a bird. And also in part 2 I'll be cleaning the bird cage. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in part 2.